I'm going to jump on here and talk about what I use Canva for and whether or not you use Canva. It is an amazing design program. They do have a free version or a paid version, which is only $16.99 a month, which I think is amazing value. For any of those of you who do not know me, my name is Susan. I do have a pre-existing business online. It is a beauty brand and a gift boutique, and I've been using Canva for quite a few years now. New in my store now, I have a Canva Crash Course book there. It has embedded video tutorials in there. It's a guide. There is a lot of information. It's packed with information. But basically, what I use Canva for is pretty much a lot of different things. I use Canva for my blogging to put into my actual articles, for my blogging covers. I've used it for manuals, journals, planners, guides, eBooks. I pretty much use Canva for designing anything that I create. So it's been amazing. I've created logos in there. I've created banners for my website, webinars, video tutorials. What else do I use it for? It's just amazing. It's a massive library. For any of you that are not familiar with it, it's a massive library of pictures, videos. They have AI in there now to help you create videos. It's a library of presentations, templates, whether you need it for your kids' schools or school projects, office or business templates or projects. There are flow charts, there are lists, there are color helpers and guides, everything that you can possibly think of for designing. So if you're not sure how Canva works, just check out my Stand store. And oh, there goes my dog. The design course guide, the crash course, Canva Crash Course, is now in my Stand store, and I highly recommend it if you've never used Canva. And even if you have used Canva, there might be some information in there that you're not familiar with. And again, enjoy that, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.